Hello viewers, I'm Shekhar Pandey from Informatica GCS is going to demonstrate about data preview process in Informatica Data Catalog. First, first I'm going to tell about what is the data preview. Data preview uh, data preview is the process to preview a sample of source data in Enterprise Data Catalog. We want to preview data before we can perform a provisioning task. Preview data to assess the source data before you transfer the data to the target. For example, consider an Oracle source that contains some information about customer and you want to migrate the data to an Oracle target. Before you move data from source to target, you might want to verify the data in the table and know if the table contains relevant information. To verify the data, you can preview the data and ensure that the table contains relevant columns. Now we are going to understand what the prerequisite we have to follow before performing data preview. We have to ensure that we have access to the Informatica Intelligent Cloud Service account as an administrator. After that, we have to create a ISCS organization. We have to create the necessary database connection in ISCS for the source and the target. After that, we have to provide some custom properties option in the catalog service. And after that, we have to add that Informatica Cloud Service Organization to the EDC tool. In the next slide, I'm going to demonstrate the same. So this is the Informatica Administration Console. I'm going to log into the same. Okay, as I have mentioned, we have to add the custom properties in catalog service. So in custom property section of the catalog service, if you see, I have already added the custom properties. The first is LDM custom option dot enable data provision true, and I have added LDM custom option dot provision dot isis dot master dot app dot URL. Here we have to provide our ISCS homepage URL here. After adding custom property, we need to recycle the catalog service. After adding custom property for the catalog service, we need to log in into the catalog administrator. And once we logged in, we need to create a ISCS organization in catalog administrator. How we have to go to the manage section, and after that ISCS org section is coming. So I have already opened this page. In this drop down option, you can click on the new button. Once you can click on the new button, it will ask you the username and the password. The user Here we have to use our ISCS username and password, and after that click validate. So I have already done that, and once you created the ISCS organization, the page is show like this. Also, we need to make sure that the username which we are going to use to create ISCS organization must have a administrator privileges. After that, we need to log in into the ISCS. Once we log into the ISCS, we need to go to the administrator tab, and after that, we need to create a connection. After that, we need to go to the connection section and click on the new connection. To preview the data in EDC, we must create a connection in ISCS to the database where we wish to allow this feature to be enabled. I have already created a connection for my demo purpose. Let me go into that. Here I have given the connection name and the type. Here I have taken a Oracle as an example. Also, ensure that we must set our runtime environment to the server where secure agent is running on. After that, I have given the username, password, host port, and the service name, and give the test connection. After giving a test connection, we need to go back to the our catalog administrator. Here, as I mentioned, I have taken example as for an Oracle resources. So I have already created a resource or data preview demo of the Oracle resource type. Once you added the custom property in catalog service, you'll get a tab of a data access in your resource configuration section. Click on that. Let's wait. So we have to enable the data provisioning, and once you enable the data provisioning, the org name which we have created is auto come here. We have to select that, and the connection which we have created in ISS administrator, we have to give that. So I have created data preview demo, so I have given that, and after that we just need to save the resources. We do not need to run it. Okay, now we need to open the same thing in the LDM catalog. So I have logged into the LDM catalog. Let me go to the resource where I have enabled the data preview. So my data preview resource is a data preview demo. Let me randomly open some schema or a table. Here, suppose I want to check the data, I want to perform a data preview on the agent table. I have clicked there. After that, we can see the data preview tab here. Okay, now we have to give the password. Username will automatically come, and we have to enter the user credential for the data source. There we want to preview the data. I have given the password. After that, I have to click on the preview button. So here we can see the result of the data preview on the particular Oracle resource. In this slide, I have attached a KB article and the document link for the reference purpose. We would love to hear from you. Please reach us out on the video links. Thank you.